In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule multi-channel marketing campaigns in Mailchimp. If you've already built your campaign and you're ready to control exactly when it goes live, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move from your dashboard to the scheduling controls, choose the delivery date and time, and look at the timing options available on different Mailchimp plans so your send aligns with your audience's habits. I'll also share a few practical tips along the way to help you feel confident before you lock it in. Start by heading to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look for the campaign section in the main navigation. This is your command center for everything you've built, whether it's an email, a multi-channel journey, or a broader campaign that pulls in multiple touchpoints. Open the campaigns area and find the marketing campaign you want to schedule. If you manage a lot of workspaces or drafts, scan for the campaign name you recognize and make sure you're selecting the correct one. You'll see status details and recent edits right from the list, which can help you confirm you're in the right place. With the campaign selected, click Edit. This brings you back into the campaign builder, where all of your components live. Before we schedule, it's a good moment to quickly glance over your subject lines, content, and targeting settings so you're not scheduling something that still needs changes. Next, navigate to the send time controls inside the builder. This is where Mailchimp centralizes timing and scheduling. You'll see a section dedicated to when your campaign should go out. Opening it reveals all of your options for delivery. Click into the send time section to expand those options, then choose Schedule. This switches you from sending immediately to specifying a time in the future, which is ideal for coordinating across channels or simply avoiding off-hours delivery. You'll be prompted to select a delivery date. Pick the day you want your campaign to go live. If you're planning around a launch, a sale, or a coordinated cross-channel push, give yourself enough lead time for review and final checks, but not so much that details become outdated before the send. After choosing the date, move to the delivery time. Select the time of day you want your audience to receive the campaign. Think about when your subscribers are likely to be available and receptive. Your account's time zone setting determines the clock used here, so choose the time with that in mind. Mailchimp also offers timing intelligence and plan-based options. If you're on the standard plan, you can enable send when recipients are most likely to open. This leverages historical engagement patterns to automatically deliver at a predicted high open window for your audience. It's great when you don't have a single universal send time in mind or when your list spans different routines. If you prefer to control the timing precisely, or if you're on the Essentials plan, choose Send at a specific time. This lets you set an exact hour and minute so your campaign lands exactly when you planned. Once your date and time are set the way you want, click Save. That action locks in your schedule for the campaign. You'll see your selection reflected back in the builder, and your campaign will show as scheduled in your campaigns list. If you spot something that needs a tweak later, you can come back to this same section to adjust the timing before it goes out. And that's it. You went from the campaign's dashboard into your campaign's editor, opened the send time controls, chose schedule, set the delivery date and time, picked the timing option that matches your plan and strategy, and saved your changes so everything is queued up. With your schedule confirmed, your multi-channel marketing campaign will go out at the right moment, helping you stay consistent, coordinated, and on brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.